Good morning, children. This is the Term 2 textbook, page number 62. Relation between multiplication and division. RELATION. Relation. BETWEEN. Between. MULTIPLICATION. Multiplication and division. Relation between multiplication and division. We can get a division fact out of every multiplication fact. Okay, children, we can get a division fact out of every multiplication fact. Look at this picture. Here, first row, second row. How many rows are there? 2 rows. Okay. Each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each row 6. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 circles inside the box. How many are there? 12 circles in the box. If you look at the picture, there are 2 rows. How many rows are there? 2 rows. There are 1 row, 2 rows. Okay, 1 row, 2 rows. Each row, how many circles? Each row, first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Each row, 6. Second row also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each row, how many circles? 6 circles. 6 circles each row. Okay, 2 rows of 6 circles each. Are you understood, children? How many rows? Total 12. Okay, total how many circles? 12. How many rows? 1, 2 rows. Okay, each row how many circles? 6. 2, 6 the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12. 6 into 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Again, there are 12 circles in all. Since there are 2 rows with 6 circles in each row. So, each row has 12. Each row has 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 circles. 12 divided by, here in this box we divide 2 groups. Okay, each group 6 circles. How many? 2 groups. 12 divided by 2 groups. That's why 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, children. Next, if you look at the picture, there are 6 columns of 2 circles each. Here, see, how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, choose one line is there, no? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many columns? 6 columns. How many columns, children? 6 columns. Here, total how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many circles are there? 12. 12 circles. There are total 12 circles in 6 columns. How many columns? 6 columns. So, there are 12 divided by how many? In each column, how many circles are there? 1, 2. In each column, 2. Okay. So, there are 12 divided by 6 is equal to how many circles? 1, 2 circles in each column. Okay. So, with the same number of objects, we can write 2 multiplication fact and 2 division fact. Like this. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Okay. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 into 2 is equal to, 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Okay. Next, 2 divided by 6 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 6 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 6. We can write multiplication fact and division fact. Okay, children? Are you understood? Now, we are going to here. Look at here. Here, how many balls are there? Let's count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total 18. Okay. How many are there? Total 18. Here, how many rows are there? Tell me children, how many rows are there? 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. How many rows are there? 3. How many rows are there? 3 rows. Okay. Next, in each row, how many circles are there? In each row, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Right? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows into each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is equal to 3 6 are 3 6 are, tell me children, 18. 3 6 are 18. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 is equal to 6 3s are also 18. 3 6s are 18. 6 3s are also 18. Okay. Now we are going to, this is multiplication fact. Okay. This is the multiplication, you all know. Yes, very good. This is the multiplication fact. Now we are going to write the division fact. Total how many are there? Total 18. 18 divided by how many groups? How many rows? Tell me children. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. 3 rows. 18 divided by 3 is equal to total in each row. How many are there? 1, 2 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each row 6. You can write 6. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Okay children? 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Again you have to write 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 18 divided by 6. Each row 6. Each row 6. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Okay, okay children. You can write 3 6s are 18. 18. 6 3s are 18. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Okay children. Are you understood? Coming to the next point. Here, how many circles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. How many rows? How many rows? 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Each row, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each row, 4. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are, tell me children, 12. 4 3s are also 12. 3 4s are, 4 3s are same. Okay kada. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Next, we can write division. Total how many are there? 12. You can write 12 divided by how many rows? 3 rows is equal to each 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Next, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay children, are you understood? Next, coming to the next point. Total how many circles are there? Let's count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total how many are there? 16. Very good. How many rows are there? 1, 2. How many rows? 2 rows. Very good. How many are there in each group, each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many circles are there in each row? 8. Total how many circles? 16. Okay, how many rows? 2 rows. In each row, how many circles are there? 8. Now, first we are going to write multiplication. 2 8s are, tell me children, 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Let's count. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, like that. 2 8s are 16. Next, 8 2s are also 16. 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16. Now, we are going to write division fact. How many circles are there? 16. Total 16. Divided by how many rows? How many rows divided by? 2 rows. Very good children. 2 is equal to, each row has 8. Very good. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 2 8s are 16. Is this right answer? Okay. Very good children. Next, 16 divided by 8 also 2. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Okay children. Next, let's count along with me how many circles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total 18. How many rows? 1, 2 rows. How many rows? 2 rows. Total 18. In each row, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In each row, 9 circles are there. Now, first we are going to write multiplication. Multiplication fact. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next, 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are, 2 9s are is equal to 18. 18, 9 2s are also 18. Okay. Now, we are going to write division fact. How many are there? Total 18. How many are there? 18 divided by, how many groups we divide here? 2 groups. 2. Very good children. 2. Next, how many in each group? How many are there? Tell me children, in each group how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And also 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 divided by 9. 9 is equal to how many rows? 2 rows. Okay children? Are you understood children? Very good children. Now, all of you do in your classwork same this way. You can fill this here also, and also you have to do once again in your classwork. Okay children? I will give some other sums in classwork tomorrow. You will do that also. Okay children? Thank you.